This method can help answer key questions in the drug delivery field, such as target delivery of therapeutics to human cancers and placenta trophoblasts.
The main advantage of this technique is that it's a simple and reproducible method to synthesize peptides, conjugated nanoparticles.
To begin, add 3 milliliters of 4% ethanol to a sterile 10 milliliter centrifuge tube. Then, add 90 micrograms of soybean lecithin stock solution, 210 micrograms of desB-PEG carboxylic acid stock solution, and 750 micrograms of DOX stock solution. Use a 1 milliliter syringe to pipette 2 milligrams of PLGA stock solution. Place the centrifuge tube in an ice bath on an ultrasonic processor and sonicate for 2 minutes. Then, add PLGA stock solution dropwise into the centrifuge tube. To purify the DNPs, use a centrifuge filter to wash the solution in 0.1 molar mess buffer. Then, centrifuge the solution at 1000 G for 3 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. To begin ester activation, add 0.4 milligrams of EDC to 1 milliliter of DNPs. Then, add 0.24 milligrams of NHS to the reaction. Then, allow the reaction to occur for up to 1 hour at room temperature in the dark. After this, mix the